How do you think is the possibility of having Senator Sherwin Gatchalian actually become the next Senate President? Because sabi nga nila, it will be a new group na po daw. Although, ang sabi po ng majority ngayon, wala daw malalagas sa kanilang grupo. Sa inyong pong pagbasa, at historically speaking po, how realistic na po si Senator Gatchalian po ang pwedeng mamuno po susunod naman?
Oh, well, the possibility is always there. Hindi natin pwedeng i-discount na pwede nga siyang maging Senate President. Kasi ang advantage naman, I don't have any value judgment kay Gatchalian, no? Pero ang advantage lang ni Gatchalian is hindi siya masyadong prominente when you talk about faction, when you talk about leaning. Kasi si Gatchalian hindi masyadong mabasa hindi mo mabasa si Gatchalian kung leaning to the Vice President ba siya or leaning to the Marcoses. Kasi masyadong blurry. He sometimes, advocate for certain things na favorable sa admin, but sometimes he criticizes also the admin on certain issues. So in that level, in that sense, mahirap mo siyang i-categorize. Kumbaga, absolutely na leaning siya dito sa side na to, leaning siya on the other side. Walang ganon. So in a way, that would be a fresh, as far as the other senators are concerned, parang ang tinitignan nila kay Gatchalian, fresh start ng Senado.
Ako naman.
Ganon, fresh ba? Pero ang question lang dyan, kung magkakaroon ng numero si Gatchalian to be elected as the new SP.
Yeah.
Yun ang titignan natin. Pero ang image ni Gatchalian is a bit more neutral. I'm not saying he is really neutral because we don't know kung ano mga interest din niya as a politician. I'm sure may interest yan. But what I'm saying is, appearing from public view, medyo mas mas neutral ang dating.